Have you ever wondered how much easier life would be with a ceiling fan during those hot summer days? Now, imagine having the power to install one yourself. The process might seem a bit daunting at first, but we're here to break it down into manageable steps. First things first, ensure the power to the existing fixture is turned off at the breaker box. Safety is paramount, and we can't stress this enough. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, pliers, wire stripper, voltage tester, and a ladder. Make sure these are within easy reach before you begin. Now, it's time to remove the old fixture. Unfasten the existing light fixture or fan, making sure you're careful not to damage any of the surrounding areas. Next, you'll need to install the ceiling fan mounting bracket. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to securely attach the bracket to the ceiling box. Once this is done, assemble the fan. Align the fan blades, motor housing, and other parts according to the instructions provided. Now hoist the fan assembly onto the mounting bracket and secure it in place with the provided screws. It's time to wire the fan. Connect the fan wires to the wires from your ceiling using wire nuts, matching colors where possible. For example, black to black, white to white, green to green. Next, attach the blades. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to secure the fan blades in place. Install the light kit, if applicable. If your fan includes a light, install it as per the instructions. Attach any additional accessories. Some fans come with remote controls, wall switches, or other accessories. Install these as needed. Secure the canopy. Slide the canopy onto the fan motor and secure it with a screw. Finally, turn the power back on. Go back to your breaker box and restore power to the circuit. Test the fan. Use the pull chains or remote control to ensure it's working properly. Remember, these are general steps, and it's essential to follow the specific instructions provided with your ceiling fan. If you're uncomfortable with electrical work, consider hiring a professional electrician to install it safely. Safety first, always. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to installing your own ceiling fan. It might seem a bit complicated at first, but with a little patience and attention to detail, you'll be enjoying a cool breeze in no time.